স্টেডি দ্বারা
স্টেডি স্টেডি। আমরা এখন কি প্র্যাকটিস করব? সাপোর্ট, পাস অ্যান্ড সাপোর্ট। কি প্র্যাকটিস করব? পাস অ্যান্ড সাপোর্ট। আমরা খেলার সময় কি হয়, খেলার সময় বল আমাদের পাস করতে হয়, কিন্তু পাস করে যদি জায়গা না নিই তাহলে কী হবে? हम लोग जब खेलते हैं क्या करते हैं, जब खेलने के बाद जगह नहीं लेते, जगह नहीं देंगे, क्या होगा? सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा? बॉल नहीं मिलेगा, बॉल मिस हो जाएगा। तो पास खेलने के बाद सपोर्ट देना है। देयर इज टू গ্রিড, এখানে দুটো গ্রিড দেওয়া আছে। হ্যাঁ, ফার্স্ট গ্রিডে আমরা কজন থাকবো? তিনজন থাকবো। সেকেন্ড গ্রিডে দুজন।
কষ্ট হচ্ছে দাঁড়াতে,
দুজন থাকবো।
কষ্ট হচ্ছে দাঁড়াতে।
ফার্স্ট গ্রিডে আমরা
স্টেডি দ্বারা
ফার্স্ট গ্রিডে আমরা 5টা মিনিমাম, we have to play minimum 5 passes. Then first job we have to play 5 catches.
স্টেডি দ্বারা কি হচ্ছে, কি প্রবলেম হচ্ছে?
Change the grid.
অসুবিধা হচ্ছে? চেয়ার দেবো, চেয়ার দেবো।
We have to play minimum 5 passes. We can play more than 5 passes, but minimum we have to play minimum 5 passes. Then we change the grid. Same thing when we play this second grid. Then here also we play 5 passes. Then change minimum 5 passes minimum. We have to play minimum 5 passes. ठीक है? अभी क्या होगा? 3 players. You go there. You go there. You go there. You go there. And mark up. You go there. The marker. Stay all time. Stay inside the marker. All time stay inside the marker. Why we stay inside the marker? This marker is for ground. If we go outside the marker, then we will out of the marker, out of the ground. So all time we have to stay inside the marker. Stay behind the marker. Stay behind the marker, boys. Stay behind the marker. Hold ball in your hand. Hold ball. Now we start playing with hand. First, we start with ball, playing hand. Here is ball. If ball is here, then where you have to stay? All time you have to give him support both sides. If you stay there, then he can't pass you. All time you have to stay from both sides. You play there. Where do you go? Good. You play there. Turn. Stop. Whenever you come here, whenever you receiving the ball, you all time you have to face this side. Why? Because you can play this side also, you can play this side also. If you stay like this, you can't play there. It will be difficult to play there. So you have to stay all time. You have to stay like this. Okay? Go, play, move. Don't go. Where stop? Where are you going? First, you have to play there. Then you can move. Come here. Play there. Go. Ball is there. You go there. You go there. Play. Start. Move. Turn. Play. 2, 3, 4. Change the grid. You have to join there. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Play. You can change. You change. Grid. Play. Come here. Run. Go there. Go. Well done. Play. Move. Good. Play. Good. Well done. Now change the grid. Play. Go. Well done. Stop. Where are you going? Stop. Ball is there. Now where do you have to stay? This ball is there. Now you have to stay there. Why are you moving fast? Why I am telling you to stay there? He needs two positions, two support. Nice. Well done. Good going. Good going. Well done. Well done, boys. Good going. Well done. Play. Chase the grid. Chase the grid. Stay on the marker. Where you play. Go. Ball. Where is ball? Go there. First. 3, 4, 4, 5. Chase the marker. Chase the grid. Play. First. Go. Well done. 3. Where are you running? Where are you so hurry? Go. Where is ball? Chase the grid. Play. Ball is there. Go. Come here. No. Play. Well done. Stop. Do you understand? Well done. Now it will be play with your foot. Start with there. Start from there. On the ball. Ball is there.
Five.
Good. All time you have to receive. First we will touch. We allow all touches. Next we will progress to 2 touches. Now we will play all touches. You can use try to use 2 touches. Okay, but there is no restriction. You can touch more. Play. Good. Well done. 2, 3. Good. 4. Well done. 5. Again. Start. Again. Well done, boys. Good going. Play 1, 2, 3. Stop. Go there. Why are you missing? Miss? I am standing like this. I am not in ready position. All time you have to stay in ready position. All time, whenever you are doing any practice, then we have to, all time you have to stay in ready position. Why I am not in steady position? All time steady position. Play. Start. Play. Stop. Play. Understand? Go. Start. Play. Good. Well done. Go there. Well done. Play. 3, 4. Well done. 5. Well done. Change. Well done. Play. First. Go there. Come here. Stay behind. 1. Come on. Go. Let's play. Well done. Good. Good going. Now play. Change the grid. Go. Play. Come here. Well done. Good going. Play. Well done. Play. Poor quality pass. You have to play harder. Play. Well done. Now change the grid. Stop. You have to count the passes. Otherwise, you must communicate with your player. Otherwise, your confidence will be getting lost. All time you have to communicate. I am communicating, but you are not communicating. All time you have to communicate. Count your passes. You know there is already you have played 5 passes. Then you have to turn and pass them. Also, when you are turning, you are receiving like this. Go there. With this. Pass the ball. I know already I have played 5 passes. Then I have to turn and change the grid. First time, what I have to do? Ready position. And my face is there. I can play there also. Okay, now play. What I have done? Change the. When I am passing, I pass, receive it, standing. When I know I have to play this side. I have to change the grid. Then I know how to receive. I have to turn. Ball is coming from there. Now I have to turn and play there. Okay? Go there. Pass. Pass it. You have to turn. Pass. You have to ready position. Good. Play pass. Turn. Good. Play. Well done. Chalo. Let's. Karan, go there. Go this. You go this marker. Play. Well done. Good. Well done. Well done. So play. You come on. Pass. Good. Go. Now change the grid. Now change the grid. Well done. Play. Good. Play. Good. Play. Well done. Play. Well done. No. What you have to do? You are receiving there. Now you are trying to play this. You know, you have to turn and play passes. Just before I tell you. What should you do? Turn, then play. Give him. Play. Turn, now play. Come. Give him ball. Roll. You can do. You can receive one. Good. Well done, Karan. Now, this quality of passing is very good. You have to pass far better. Give him. Ready position. Good. Play. Turn. Now play. Good. Change. Start. Go there. You have to go there. No. You have to change the marker. You have to leave the position, man. If you stay there, then there will be 2 players for 1 team. You must go. You must leave the place. Start from there. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Play. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now plus change the grid. One. Did you change? Go there. Play. Well done. Stop. Now we'll introduce a passive defender. Only you have to act as a passive. You come. We start from there. From this grid. Number 1 grid. Come here.
ব্যালেন্স করবি, যাবি না।
Karan. Go there. Start. Well done. 1, 2, count, boys.
3, 4.
Change the grid. Good. Play. Well done. Good. Well done. Chalo, play. Well done. Play. Go. Well done. Come. Play. Change the grid. Play. Well done. You should leave the marker.
বন্ধ করছি।